Yeah, thank you for being in my kitchen where we're always on a mission to find nutrition, baby. Let me put my kitchen kettlebell away and show you what we got going on. Woo! Right here is the finishing touches on a hamburger patty right there. 93% lean, 7% fat. You feel me? And here's the deal. This is what we're going to do. We're going to make it a bagel burger. Alright? I got a bagel off in the oven. And let me tell you why. Because you don't have to give up all the foods that you love just because you want to get in shape. You feel me? I'll be the first to admit I'm addicted to hamburgers, baby. But check it out. Some simple substitutions can really go a long way. Alright? I ate so many burgers in my life. Shoot. I should already be like this big. And high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Alright? But I keep it in check with these simple moves. Woo! These sauces right here, I get them on the side. And most of the times I don't even use them. Ketchup. Even this one right here is good, but you gotta check the ingredients. Combined total is probably about 25 to 30 ingredients. And you can substitute that with one simple move. Right here. Pineapple. A pineapple is so nutritious and delicious. Woo! And if you do 100 curls, it's vicious. But check it out. Alright? I was saving up for a while and I got me a pineapple corer right here just to make life easier. You feel me? A pineapple corer. And let me show you how you use it. You got to chop the top off this pineapple. Just like this. Using amazing strength. Right there. You feel me? Then you can go ahead and line that up. Right in the center. Push down. And there you go. That's that pineapple workout. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a couple twists, but make sure you don't miss. I put it in a bowl, alright, because it's going to be really juicy, alright? Just like this burger. You can get rid of all of those ingredients, ketchup, mustard, mayo, you know what I'm saying? Woo! There you go. I'll just ring off two. We got a whole nother pineapple right there. I'll show you that in another dessert episode. But for right now, we got 2 rings. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Put a little cut in them right there. Get them ready for the plate here. And here's another thing. People say they want to make their food with love. Absolutely. But you want to serve it with love too. That's why I got my little heart plate. You got to serve it up with some love. It's all about respect. You feel me? Respecto. That's your Spanish lesson. So we got the bagel right here. We got the burger just like that. Woo, extra fat because I'm a 2-burger kind of guy. Instead of eating 2 buns, 1 bigger burger and a bagel, baby. But oh yeah, can't forget the sweet pineapple just like that. Alright? Get the other half right here. Woo! Sweet pineapple. Burger is so juicy, so crunchy. Got the sweet and the salty, baby. And it's real easy when you got tools like this. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. If you want to see more episodes, go to my website, onamissiontofindnutrition.com. I'll even put this up there for you if you want it. Woo! Let me go enjoy this burger. Have a good day.